Hello everyone, it's Christmas Eve. I'm so excited. It's Christmas tomorrow and today is our final day for our Advent calendar. We're opening our final door and this is a special one because it's the last one. We've got a double door on this one, so let's have a look behind these two doors for today. We've got a beautiful picture of the manger with Jesus in it, and this is the Bible verse, John chapter 1 verse 14. The Word became flesh and living among us. We saw his glory, such glory as the one and only Son of the Father, full of grace and truth. So there we go, we began the story with an angel appearing to Mary and Joseph, telling them that she was going to have a child. And so they then headed off to Bethlehem to follow with the census and headed there, but there was no room in the inn. And so they had to stay in a stable where Jesus was born and placed in a feeding trough in a manger. And then an angel, loads of angels, appeared to some shepherds and told them the good news about Jesus being born. And so they went and visited and they were full of joy and so excited. Meanwhile, a star had appeared over the stable where Jesus lay. And these three wise men were intrigued by this star and followed it. And so they then heard about this child and so met Mary and Joseph and gave gifts, gold, frankincense and myrrh. And they warned them about King Herod, who wasn't happy about this child, this special child, being born. And so he was going to kill all the newborn babies. And so they fled to Egypt. And when it was safe, they came back. And Jesus grew up. And we know at Easter time, Jesus died on the cross for us, for our sins, for the things that we do wrong. And that was the whole big plan. The big plan of God was that he would send his son to die for us so that we could be in relationship with him. So there we go. This Christmas time, let's remember the great story of Jesus being born in a manger. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and I will see you in assembly time in the new year. Goodbye.